Everything that comes here is on record, because here, responsibility and standards comes first. M416.
Raw industrial materials are kept in a large storage area. Every batch is checked first.
Inside the factory, raw industrial materials kept in a large storage area. This is that stage M416 from where the whole process begins.
Every batch is checked first, and then the production line of which is transferred to. This is that stage from where the whole process begins.
Today we will take you with us inside a new industrial factory where heavy machines, automated systems,
special grade metals used in the factory. These metals are shaped by modern machines so that strength and balance.
416 seen here. It is under computer control. At every stage, data is checked. Here, the future of manufacturing is realized. Highly controlled processes ensure. On the production floor, various teams are working. Every worker knows his specific responsibilities.
Let's do our work.
To the packing area. Here, serial number recording and sealing happens. Strong packing ensures that the product is safe.
Kept in dispatch area. M416 is not just a name. This industrial system, Jadid machinery,
Every system is tested.